Hey, how's it going? This is Joshua Johnson, CTO of Tree Industries. Hope everyone is having a great holiday and Happy New Year to you all out there. We're going to do another demonstration video of our Mycroft 3D avatar that we've built using the Unity engine. And we've got a lot of updates for it. It's looking great, so we're just going to load it right up here on Windows and let you take a quick peek. Go ahead and load it up. So by default, this avatar will try to connect to the local network connection on the same machine that the avatar is running. I actually have Mycroft running on a different machine, so we'll just throw in the IP address for that, and then we'll hit connect. And you'll see on the UI that the connection was successful and the avatar is immediately ready to start using. Hey Ezra, weather forecast.
With a high of 49 and a low of 34, Florissant has broken clouds and is currently 34 degrees.
So the lip syncing needs just a little bit of tweaking, but we've got it looking really lifelike, and we've also got the mouth motions and animations pretty finely tuned at this point, and now it can also be set so it's pretty user friendly and pretty plug and play as well. So that's pretty much it at this point. So this is just a little teaser, and going into the new year, we should have this released anytime. So thank you all very much, and again, Happy New Year.